Welcome to ultimatedrumming.com. I'm Jim McCall. I'm going to show you this really great sounding double shuffle pattern. First I'm going to play it for you, then I'm going to break it down note by note and show you how it works. When playing these great sounding shuffle beats, you got to be thinking eighth note triplets with the ride pattern. I count triplets evenly, 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 evenly. The ride pattern will go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Evenly, 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 evenly. Now when I'm playing the shuffle, I'm going to leave out the middle note of the triplet, or the end note. So it'd go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Evenly, 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 evenly. Now saying all those evenlies gets to be a mouthful. So to simplify it, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, but I have to maintain that triplet feel throughout. It's going to go like this. Evenly, evenly, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. When I'm playing this shuffle pattern, I'm playing both hands in unison. So both of them are going to be playing on the 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand on the ride, left hand on the snare drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Easy enough. Now the trick is, to give this a nice pulse, would be to try and accent beats 2 and 4 on the snare drum without accenting beats 2 and 4 on the right hand. Remember, the hands are going to be playing in unison, so you're going to have to separate the hands when you get to beats 2 and 4. Go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to add the bass drum on the quarter notes. So every time I say beats 1, 2, 3, or 4, I'm playing the foot on the quarter notes. It's going to go like this. Going to put it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now once you get comfortable with that tempo, we're going to pick up the speed a little bit. It's also smart practice to play a couple measures ride pattern on the closed hi-hat, a couple measures ride pattern on the ride cymbal, and alternate back and forth. Something like this. 1, 2, 3. And there it is, another excellent sounding rhythmic pattern you can add to your drumming repertoire. I'm Jim McCall. Thanks for watching and visiting ultimatedrumming.com.